Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Reliance 606 water heater suddenly stops heating properly, behaves inconsistently, or starts showing signs that something feels off, it can definitely become upsetting, especially when hot water becomes unreliable. Sometimes the Reliance 606 water heater works for a short time and then changes unexpectedly, while other times the water temperature feels different without any clear reason. A situation like this can happen because of power interruptions, heating settings, water flow concerns, or temporary system glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many Reliance 606 water heater problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy troubleshooting steps to help fix common Reliance 606 water heater issues. Try these. Step 1. Check power connected to the Reliance 606 water heater if hot water suddenly stops working. Step 2. Inspect the Reliance 606 water heater for unusual lights, moisture, or visible changes. Step 3. Test water flow connected to the Reliance 606 water heater if heating feels inconsistent. Step 4. Review temperature settings on the Reliance 606 water heater if water feels too hot or too cool. Step 5. Restart the Reliance 606 water heater briefly if operation suddenly changes unexpectedly. Step 6. Recheck the Reliance 606 water heater and confirm hot water performance improves normally.